How to fix cannot download Zenless Zone 0 from your Play Store on your Android. First of all, you need to restart the download process. Cancel the current download if it's stuck or not progressing. Delete the partially downloaded file from your device and then restart the download process from the Play Store. Check your internet connection, ensure that you have a stable internet connection or connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network, or you can also use mobile data. Next step is go to your device settings and then go to the application manager. Go for Google Play Store and clear the cache and data and try downloading Zenless Zone 0. Make sure that you have sufficient storage space on your device and also delete unnecessary files or app to free up space if you have not deleted any files in a while. Update your Google Play services. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Google Play services and update it to the latest version. Sometimes issues are account specific. Add a different Google account to your device and try downloading again. These are the few fixes of how you can fix cannot download Zenless Zone 0 app from your Play Store in Android.